Welcome to this virtual property tour. I am Antonello De Muro, a local estate agent with over 20 years' experience in the real estate business. We are in Telti, a charming village in northeast Sardinia, with just over 2,000 inhabitants, known for its breathtaking landscape and welcoming community. Today, we are promoting the sale of a beautiful agricultural estate, just 15 minutes drive from the Costa Smeralda International Airport. The estate is near the lively town of Olbia. It features excellent southern exposure, particularly for the existing buildings. The traditional stazzo farmland consists of a country house needing renovation of about 94 square meters, with the possibility to develop an exclusive project that can expand the current area and adapt to the buyer's needs. Additionally, there is an old stazzo of about 30 square meters, a garage of 28 square meters, and finally a hayloft of about 110 square meters. The farm includes arable fields, centuries-old cork oak and holm oak groves, and granite outcrops typical of Gallura. This varied landscape provides an evocative and highly authentic setting. Additionally, the eastern side offers a picturesque view of the city and Tavolara Island with stunning sea view, making the perfect spot to build authentic Sardinian-style villas in keeping with the local architectural style of the stazzo. The future sale also includes a new residential project that takes advantage of the enchanting sea view on the island of Tavolara. Due to local regulations, it is also possible to expand the current building configuration and construct new residential buildings, including structures in the style of the traditional stazzo farmhouse without restrictions. In this magnificent picturesque setting, it is possible to build a swimming pool without any particular restrictions, making this property a truly exclusive option. In Sardinia, opportunities like this are rare. Starting from €210,000, own 6 hectares of buildable land with 180 square meter home, or a 5-hectare estate with a 156 square meters home for €390,000. For dreamers, there's more, up to 52 hectares with stone buildings, olive trees, and endless views for just below €2 million. Get in touch with us and learn more about this stunning estate in North Sardinia.